Hey everyone, today I've got a quick PDF and Windows 11 tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to change your default PDF viewer here in Windows 11. I have a PDF here on my desktop, and if I open it up, it automatically opens up in Microsoft Edge. It's not really what I want, so let's show you how to change your default PDF viewer. Now what you need to do is find the file. So if you have it on your desktop here, you can go ahead and find it and right click on it, not left click, but right click. You'll get a little menu, and we're looking for the open with option right here. Now that's if it's on your desktop. If it's in your files on your computer, you can go down to your file explorer, open that up and search for it in your file explorer and do the same thing. So again, right click, go down to open with, and it's going to give you some options here. So I have a few different options for opening up PDF files. Now what we want is to go down to the bottom here where it says choose another app. You can go ahead and select that. It's going to show you what your default app is. So currently mine is Microsoft Edge, and it's also going to show you suggested apps that will open PDF files. So I happen to have Adobe Acrobat on my system as well as Google Chrome. Both of those will work. So we'll go ahead and select which one we want. I'll do Acrobat. And then down here at the bottom, it'll allow you to select just once if you only want to open it with this program once, or always, which will set the default PDF viewer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on always here. It's going to open up in Adobe Acrobat. So now it's open in Adobe Acrobat instead of Microsoft Edge. And if I go back out, it actually changed the icon to the Adobe icon as well. So every time I open those files, they're going to open up in Adobe Acrobat. And really, it's that simple to change your default PDF viewer here in Windows 11.